guys, it's Tiffany here. I'm with my assistant Marcello, and we're going to tell you about new Club Petz by IMC Toys. IMC Toys are the creators of Cry Babies, those adorable babies that cry, and they only stop crying when you put a pacifier in their mouths. Now they have a new line that's going to make you totally laugh every time. We have these adorable, cute Club Petz to show you. We have Bam Bam. He is a hamster. We have Spitzy, that's a Target exclusive, that is a llama. And we also have Bim Bim, who's a squirrel. You have to watch what these guys do. Check out Bim Bim, the plush squirrel, first and see what he does. So cute. They're so cute and plushy. I love them. So you press right over here. Whoa!
Oh my
God! Whoa! Whoa! Here we go.
So cute.
This is Bim Bim.
Oh, Bim Bim is so he's cute and he's so cool.
Look how cute this tail is. So he's the squirrel. He's so cute. Let's see if there's like a try me mode. Maybe we could take him out of that. I don't see one. Do I?
Yeah! Can I press the button after it's done?
Yeah, you press right here. Okay. Let's take a look at Bam Bam the hamster, and this is his best pal. Here we go. Let's get them going together. Well, let's press Bam Bam first.
It went right into the camera.
I'm gonna get them going together. Ready? Whoa! So cute! I love them. Whoa! Bam Bam goes the longest. Whoa! Okay, let's check out what Spitzy does.
She actually spits water from her tongue.
That's right. Spitzy does spit, and Spitzy's a llama. You can find Spitzy only at Target. This one is so cute. They are all adorable. There's also a unicorn one that you can get too. All right, let's press here, and you can watch what Spitzy does. And to add some fun to it, you can fill Spitzy's left leg up with water. So you would just pick up this nozzle, and I would use a funnel and just maybe fill it a little bit at a time. You don't want to overfill it. Watch how funny this is. Marcello, you're gonna press right here, and I'm gonna squeeze his leg, and I'm gonna show you what happens. You ready?
Yeah.
You can let go now.
Okay. Oh my God! Let me try. I'll press the button and squeeze his leg.
Oh, you gotta squeeze it hard. So funny, right? Ah, you got it in the face! How cute are they? Big thank you to IMC Toys for sending us Club Petz. We think they're so cute. I just love Spitzy the llama. They're so cuddly, all three of them, but Spitzy's the cuddliest. And look how cute that little nose, how it moves. You can see the little water nozzle there too. So whenever you press his leg, he spits out water at you. You gotta watch out for this one. He went all the way behind the couch. So stinking cute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're watching on YouTube. And if you're watching on IGTV, don't forget to follow Tubi Toys on Instagram. Thanks so much to IMC Toys again. Super, super cool. Great gift this year for Christmas or even for a birthday because they're really, really priced right. So you check my description below for retail information for parents. And for kids, they are so stinking cute. I love them so much.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.